Now, the resizing property applies exactly in the same way for height. So currently it's only hugging the content. Now we will change it to fixed height and we will give it a height. Right now it's 276, so padding and the space that's occupied by the rectangle, everything put together is 276 right now. We will change it to 600. Okay. Now as you can see, everything has come to a center alignment. Vertically everything has come to a center alignment. Now how do you handle this thing? Okay, now coming back to the auto layout panel, auto layout section in the right hand side section. This is where you can change and control the alignment. So right now it's aligned to left and center. I will change it to, let's say, top and left. Then let's see top and center, right and center, right and center, and right and center, center, bottom right, bottom center, bottom left. Let's leave it to center. Okay. Now as you create more layers, you will have one frame nested under another frame, nested further under another frame. So all of these properties and the resizing properties will help you adjust your frames such that it can adapt to the content inside it.